Making the input property required is now possible in Angular 16. In this video, I am giving a quick preview about the new feature introduced in Angular 16, that is required inputs. The much awaited feature was to make the input property required, as components were not able to function properly without the input property. Developers were able to work around this situation by raising the errors in the ng-on-init lifecycle hook if the property was undefined and other such ways. But now in Angular 16, we simply state the required property to true inside the input property. That is, we put the @input in the brackets, we give required : true, and that does the job. And by this we can easily define input values as required. See you in the next video with new feature of Angular 16.